Welcome back to AdStep Design to your channel. My name is Stevie, your design architect. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to model and design a wardrobe using SketchUp. So let's get started. So this wardrobe will divide into like 4 sections. It's going to have folding section, hanging section, drawer section, and shoe rack section. So let's see how it goes. So this is the wall. This is the wall of the wardrobe. This is the wall. I've designed the wall. So let's see how it goes. So the height of the wardrobe will be 2.4. 24. Press your 24 on your keyboard. 24. Oh, the height is 24. Oh, that is 24. So I want to have like 70 for my base filler, 275 for my shoe rack, 200 for my drawer. So the width of the wardrobe is, I'm going to give it 600. So from the 600, I will take my back cover of 3. The back cover will be 3 mm. So press 3. This one too. The thickness of the finishing of the wardrobe, that is thickness, that is gloss board. The thickness of gloss board, the standard size is 18 mm, but so it may vary. It may not be up to 18 in your side, so you need to confirm it well. So the standard size is 18 mm, so 18, press 18. That is thickness of gloss board. So here, I want to put a filler here, filler of 50 because the wall may not shrink. So let me put filler of 50 mm here. I want to put like HDF board, that is matte 15 mm. Put it here. So this one is side filler, this one is first filler. So let's start the wardrobe properly. So I've created. So I want to put like 15 mm here. Enter. So this one, I want to make this one components. Click it 3 times. Right click, make component. So I want to name the component. I don't want to be writing component in my cutting list. I want to name the components. I've done a video of how to name a component in my previous video. You can check this YouTube channel to check how to name a component properly. So for this wardrobe, I'm going to name it. So I'm going to name it first one, that is WR01, that is the code, dash the side, so standing, aspect is 42, standing, board size, board type HDF, thickness 15 mm, edge binding, the edge they need to bind it round, so ED, I want them to bind the 2 sides, so ED2, create. So I've created. So now I need to start the wardrobe properly. Here, let me give it 15. So I put it here. I put it here. So this one, I want to copy to this side. Copy to this side. So I've copied it. I want to divide it by 2. Just press your divide in your keyboard and press 2. Enter. So I've divided by 2. So here, this one, I'm going to bring it to this side. So the back over 3 mm, press it. So I want to take this one, come to this side. So I've placed it. So this one, I want you to shift it, come to this one, okay. So I've shifted this one too. I want it to be under here. Just be following. You guys are getting. So this one, this standing, I will copy it. We copy it to this side. So let me give this one back over to thickness back over. That's the spacing. So this one, I'll copy it to this side. So I've copied to this side. This one too. I need to copy it to this side. So this one, I don't want it to be long like this. So because there will be drawer here and shoe rack under it. So I need to make it unique and rename it. So I'll make it unique. Rename it. I want it to be okay. Let me go back. I want it to be 2. WR2. So this one, I will just pull it up. Let me pull it up to this side. So I mirror it with my mirror. So I've mirrored it. So this one too now. So we are it's taking shape. Hope you guys are getting it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I do video like this every week. So let's get started. So let's continue. This one, I want to rotate this one. Rotate, press rotate. So this, press your control so it won't move with this one. So I've rotated it. So if I press this one now, working on this one is going to be affected. So I need to make this one unique. Make unique and give it chef instead of standing. And give it chef and give it chef name. So this one, put it inside. So I've put it inside. I've put this one inside. So this one now, so where this one stop here, just copy this one, put it under it. Let me go back. So once you divide it like 4, divide by 4. Okay. So this one now, this one will be folding section. So let me give it this folding section. Let me make it. Let me make it group. Make group. So I've created that one, that section. So let me copy this one. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. This is what I'm trying to achieve. So this is how the wardrobe will look like. So this folding section, this hanging section, small shelf is at the top. So here too, I'm going to create. This one is 200. So I'm going to make this one We'll make this one unique. So I'll just pan it. So here, under here, I'm going to give it small strip, but let me just continue first. 275. So under here, so this is going to be my shoe rack. This one is going to be my drawer. This one folding section. This one hanging section. So you see that the wardrobe is taking shape. So here I'm going to give like a strip just to make it more stronger. Put a strip under this place, like 70 strip. No, let me give it 70 strip. So let me just give it 70, 15. Make components. So WR01 dash strip dash HDF DF dash 15 dash ED, edge two side. So I'll give it here. So here too, let me copy it, put it under here too. So just to support it. So I'm going to put drawer here, and my shoe rack will be under here. You guys are getting it. So let me now create my drawer face. Let me create my drawer. So let me first create drawer boss. The drawer will be like, let me create 30. The height of the drawer boss 150. It's too much. Let me give it 120. 120. So the width of the drawer boss 450. So let's create our drawer boss 15. Make components. So WR01 dash drawer boss dash HDF dash 15 dash ED. Let's merge it two side. So I'll give it this in. This side, let me copy to this side. So I've copied to this side, but there's still going to be runner, that is for hardware. So I need to give a space for runner. Let me just move it like this, 25. That is spacing for runner. I've created spacing for runner. So this one, let me rotate it. So I'm going to make this one, make unique. So change the code. This one too. So shift it to this side. So this is my drawer boss. So I've created the drawer boss, remain the back cover under. So let's create the back cover. So the thickness of the back cover, I want to make it 3 Enter. So make it component. Click 3 times. Make component. So WR01 dash back dash 3 dash nade. So they are going to nade the back over. Let me give it nade to be nade. So that is naming. Hope you guys are following. So I've created a draw now. So let me make a group, make it group. Make it group so we can easily move it out. So that is my draw box. So draw will be at that side. So that is my draw box. So here is for Shura. Here under here, I want to this door side. I don't want everything to just lap. So this one, I want to shift it out. So my draw and everything will rest on it. So I need to move this one out. You guys are getting. You guys are following. So we have made that side. So we have made the face of the. So we remain now door face. We want to create door face. So this one too. Let me group it together. So for my shoe rack, I need to demarcate it because it's too big. Make this one unique. Base. So I want to give it from here to here 320. So I demarcate the shoe rack. Let me just copy this one, rotate it. Make unique. Base. Give it divider. So I've demarcated the shoe rack now. So remain door face. Let me give it door face. This one, this one we stop here. So it's in, make it 3 times. Make components WR01 slash door face dash gloss. So this one is gloss, but so it's for finishing. Gloss 18 dash ed 4. Once we this 4 side, so just mirror it. Same thing will be at this side too. Let me just copy and let me just mirror. So I've created the door face there. So this drawer too, we have a zone. We're going to have drawer face. It's in. Make component WR01 dash draw face dash gloss dash 18 dash ed4. So I've created the draw face now. So that is it. Remain, let me just add filler and put the necessary color of each board. So I think that would be the final for this video. Let me put filler here to balance it to the wall. WR01 dash filler dash HDF dash 15 dash ED2. So let me just rotate it. So I've rotated it. So here I will give it, so this one is like side filler. Let me group it. So I want to make this one first filler here. Make components. So WR01 dash filler dash HDF dash 15 dash ED2. Let me name this one. I've given this one before. So here too, this top, I want to give it filler at the top. So that is 50. main components wr01 dash hdf dash ed hdf dash 15 dash ed2. So this one, so I'm going to raise it up. So you see that the wardrobe is ready, but I need to give some spacing. So because of edge tape and spacing, so that the door will open freely, I need to give the door some spacing. So let me give the door some spacing. Here 3 mm, up 3 mm, here 2 mm. Anything I do is going to affect the other door. Here 3 mm. So I've given some spacing. So the openings, there will be spacing. So the draft is true. I'm going to give it that 3 mm, 3 mm, 3 mm, down to 3 mm. So I'll give draft is spacing now. So let me hide this one. I want to give back over. I want to give back over. Back over is 3 mm. 3, enter. So name it main component wr02 dash back dash 3 mm dash nail. So I've given down back over. So let me just copy, Ctrl C, come to this side, paste Ctrl V. So I've given it back over. This one too, I need to give it back over the draw side. Three. So make components wr03 dash back dash 3 mm dash nail. Shift it to this side. So I've give it back over now. So let me just unhide. So this is the board color I will use, that is Wenge. So I want to just mash it now. So I'm using this Wenge color. So all this stuff is, let me close it. Let me hide it first. So it's going to affect all the one that have the color because I make its component. See, I'm giving this the color of the board they will use. This one too. So I'm giving it color now. This under, let me I draw this one too. This one I want to give it, just copy this one, yeah, rotate it. But I will shift it inside by like 30. And shift it inside 15. So this one, I want to make it more. So I'm going to shift it inside 30. So I'm going to make this one unique. I'm going to shift this one here. I want to make it more, so it makes sense. So what do you guys think? So I've given it. Let me hide this one. So the back cover too, you need to give it some color. So let me just find one color, give the back cover. I'll name it back cover. Back cover. And this color is not. So the color I want to use for the back cover. So I'll hide it. Or main hardware, undo angle rod. Oh yeah, it's complete. So just go to your SketchUp warehouse and download and for wardrobe. So let me just copy this one. So this one, so I've no name, give it gloss material for the door face. So I'll give it now. So, I'm giving it some more. So I've given it some this side too. Let me just give it some too. I will rotate it. So I'll rotate it. So hope you guys get it. So that is how to design wardrobe using SketchUp. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to export it to SketchUp Layout and add some technical drawing and some details. So let's erase all this one. So this is the wardrobe with door face. So let me remove the face. See, without door face, if you see it. So without door face, this is with door face. So that is how to design wardrobe using SketchUp. Hope you guys get it. Hope you find this video very interesting. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That is AdStep Design Studio. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video.